In this video, I'm going to show you how to play PS4 games on PC. So in order to do so, we'll need to download the PS Remote Play. So just go to the official website, or you can go basically to the URL section and type right away this. So type remote play.dl.playstation and .net/game or remote play. Hit the enter button, and this should take us, okay, it seems like I didn't type this correctly, but it's fine. I'm just going to click on the first link, and as you can see, I'll be finding myself right here. So PS Remote Play. I'll just go and click on that, and as you can see, I'll need to choose download on Windows PC. So once I go and do so, I'll have to agree on this and click on download. So click on download, save. Once it's downloaded, I'm just going to double click on that, click on yes, and here I'm choosing the language. So as you can see, it's downloading the files right now. And basically, you will be able to go right now and try to prepare your PS4 console once it is downloaded. So just go and click on install and stuff like that. So on your PS4, you'll need to go to your settings and click on remote play connection settings. Then enable the remote play. So just go in here and click on finish. And as you can see, you'll need to sign in also into your PSN. And as example, again, on your PS4, you'll need to go and click on settings, then account management, and activate your primary PS4. Then click on activate. And for smoother performance, you can go to click on settings, power save settings, and then set features available in rest mode, enable it, stay connected to internet, and enable turning on PC from network. So then you'll be able to connect your controller to your PC. You can use a USB cable or Bluetooth to connect your DualShock 3 or 4 controller, and if you don't have one, apps like DS4 Windows can help your PC detect the PS4 controller property. So now you can just go and open, of course, once you're logged in into your PlayStation account, you can just go and open this PS4 Remote Play on your PC, sign in into your PlayStation account and choose the PS4 and let it find and connect to your console. And of course, the PS4 screen will stream into your PC. Now you'll be able to play it, and it will work over the same Wi-Fi or even remotely via internet. This is an example if you have a PS4. If you don't have a PS4, there is the option of using the PlayStation Plus Premium Cloud Streaming option. So you can go and open a new tab, and all you need to do, just type PlayStation and then .com/PS-plus. So just do this --plus. Hit the enter button. Okay, it seems like I didn't type the dots, but it's fine, and that's why it didn't take me. So in here, all you need to do, just go and click on join PlayStation Plus. And here, as you can see, you'll find the premium, extra, and essential. Of course, it's a paid plan, especially if you don't have a PS4. They offer you that with a paid plan. So you can see there's the premium, extra, and essential. So essential doesn't give you what you want. For us, we want cloud streaming. So it's only available in the premium and also an example. Okay, never mind. It's not available also in extra. Also in just on premium. So you can choose on premium, click on add to cart and make sure to pay. And then you'll be able to start playing on your PC any PS4 game for free. Once you pay, of course, they'll give you to download their application. Once you download it, you'll be able to start streaming your PS4 games. Example, you can just plug your controller and choose a game from the cloud library and start streaming. So you'll need even no downloads, no PS4, just stream like Netflix for games. So of course, the internet speed should be good in order to do so. At least 15 megabytes per second is recommended, and there are no official, of course, PS4 emulators yet, and make sure to avoid sketchy tools claiming free PS4 on PC. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.